Okay, hi, Elorukum Vanakkam. This is Kuhashni, and I'm an independent artist, singer, lyric writer, and model and actress. So, in the RAM culture, especially for men's couture and like completely men's fashion weakness and season 5 by Ganesh Gurum. So, I've been invited as a panel guest. I'm so excited and in the first experience to be a part of men's couture and RAM culture, and I've been following Ganesh, his shows and everything. ஸோ மென்ஸை வந்து ரொம்ப என்ன சொல்கிறது in whatever look they may be, in dhoti or maybe jeans pant or whatever look they maybe look more handsome. It depends on styling. So everything goes to Ganesh. So Ganesh shows all the men's so stylish and more charm. So I think I'm happy to be a part of this show, and thank you so much.
அதான் ஈவெண்ட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் அப்சல்யூட்லி மென்ஸ் ஈவெண்ட், மென்ஸ் கட்யூர். இது ஆம்பளைங்களுக்காகவே இது பண்ணுறது. சவுத் இந்தியாவில் யாரும் பண்ணுறது நம்ம தான் பண்ணுறோம் அது. ஸோ இது நம்ம 5வது வருஷம். ஸோ இந்த வருஷம் கொஞ்சம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு பண்ணுறோம் ஆக்சுவலி. ஏன்னா ஸ்பான்சர்ஸ் வரல, அசோசியேட்ஸ் வரல. பட் தென் வி ஹவ் சம்ஹவ் புல் இட் ஆஃப். அண்ட் 5வது சீசன் சார் மென்ஸ் ஷோனால யூனிக்னஸ் தான். ஏன்னா வேறு யாரும் பண்ணுறதே இல்லையே, நம்ம தான் பண்ணுறோம். ஆக்சுவலி பெரிய மார்க்கெட். நம்ம சொன்ன மாதிரி 54% கார்மெண்ட் வந்து மென்ஸ் தான், லேடிஸே கம்மி, மீதி கிட்ஸ். பட் பீப்புள் வந்து ஜென்ரலி ஃபேஷன்னாலே ஒரு பார்ட்டி அந்த மாதிரி நினச்சிட்டாங்கலாம். பட் தட் இஸ் நாட் த இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. இண்டஸ்ட்ரி இஸ் சீரியஸ் பிஸ்னஸ்.
4 சீசன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க.
ரீச்சில் எப்பவுமே இருக்கேன். எல்லாம் எப்படிலாம் நடக்காது. இது இந்த பிராண்டில் வரமாட்டாங்களே சார். ஜீப் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் கம்பெனி வரமாட்டாங்க, இந்துஸ்தான் வரமாட்டாங்க, ஏன் இவங்க வரமாட்டாங்க. கல்யாணம் ஹோட்டலில் 20 எல்லாம் நம்ம ஒரு மாடல் தான். 2 day ஈவெண்ட். இது ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் 3-4 மாதம் போச்சு. இட் இஸ் 2 day ஈவெண்ட். இட் இஸ் 4 டிசைனர், 2 பேர் வந்து டிசைனர்ஸ், ப்ராப்பர் டிசைனர். அவங்களோட வெட்டிங் அண்ட் ஃபெஸ்டிவ் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. சூட்ஸு, ஷெர்வானிஸு. ஷாஹித்னு ஒருத்தர், முஜாஹித்னு ஒருத்தர். மீதி 2 பேர் வந்து மேனுஃபேக்சரர்ஸ். ஸ்மாக்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு கம்பெனி, இன்னொன்று கூல் காக்கி சொல்லிட்டு அனுப்புகிறோம். ஸோ அவங்களும் அவங்களோட லேட்டஸ்ட் கலெக்ஷன்ஸ் எல்லாம் அது இல்லை. அதுக்கு அது ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிலாம் பண்ணல. அவங்க மெயின் திங் ஆஃப்கோர்ஸ் அவங்க கார்மெண்ட் தான். ஆனால் மாஸ்க்கும் போடணுன்ற மாதிரி நான் மாஸ்க்குன்னு செப்பரேட்டாக பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க. அதுக்குன்னே ஒரு பட்ஜெட் வச்சு, அது சும்மா இல்லை, அதுவும் 2000 சார்ஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. வெறும் மாஸ்க் ஸோ கஸ்டமைஸாக பண்ணுறாங்க. நீங்கள் எப்படி கேட்குறீங்க பண்ணி இந்த ஷோலேயே வருது. இந்த ஷோலேயே வருது. ஐம் கணேஷ் குரும். நான் வந்து ஒரு பிஸ்னஸில் ஒரு 15 years ஆக்சுவலி. நானே ஒரு 8 years மாடலாக இருந்தேன். ஸோ லாஸ்ட் நம்ம ஒரு 150,000 ஷோ பண்ணியிருக்கோம் மாடலாக. இப்போது ஒரு கொரியோகிராஃபர் அப்புறம் ஒரு 400 ஷோ பண்ணியிருக்கோம். நம்ம கம்பெனி ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கு. ஆனுவலாக வந்து ஒரு 3 ஈவெண்ட் சொந்தமாக பண்ணிட்டுருக்கோம்.
Very new for me. I used to follow Ganesh like all the way for many years, all his shows and everything. I was like so excited when I came the moment here, and I'm so overwhelmed to be invited as a panel guest for this RAM culture, and especially for men. And I see all these men are like rocking these attires, and I feel so happy. And thank you for inviting me.
Good afternoon, everyone. And we are very happy as a hotel and part of the Sarovar group to be associated with this grand event. And I know Ganesh for past 10 years, and he was doing a wonderful job promoting the men's attires. I wish him all the best. Once again, I thank him for choosing our hotel, and we will do the best and wish you all the best.
Good morning, everyone. Vanakkam Chennai. I'm extremely pleased to be a part of this forum. In fact, not the first time we have been associated with Ganesh. We have been the prime sponsor even last year. And of course, we have tasted much more success. We have got the exposure what we require. So we thought we should be a part of this event as well. So thank you, Ganesh, for inviting us. Thank you so much, everyone, and all the very best.
காலை வணக்கம். இங்கே அனைவரும் வந்து ஆங்கிலத்தில் பேசுகிறார்கள், நான் தமிழில் பேச விரும்புகிறேன். முதல்ல கணேஷுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஆண்களை அழகாக காட்டுகிறார். ஆண்களை அழகாக காட்டும் பொழுது ஆண்கள் உரிமையும் மேலோங்கி நிற்க வேண்டும் என்ற ஒரு சட்டபூர்வமான ஓசை ஒலிக்க துவங்கியுள்ளது. ஏன்னால் பெண்களுக்கு அதிகமான ஆடை அலங்காரம் நிகழ்ச்சி நடக்கும்போது சென்னையில் ஆண்களுக்கும் நடக்கிறது பெருமையாக இருக்க வேண்டும். கணேஷுக்கு என் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இது போன்ற நிகழ்ச்சிகளை பல நிகழ்ச்சிகள் நீங்கள் வழங்க வேண்டும் என்று எதிர்காலத்தில் இருப்போம். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Good evening, everyone. It's really nice to be part of it. And Ganesh Gurung, I know very well. So suddenly I just got a call at midnight, and asked him, will you be interested to be part of? And I just asked what is it, and I just impressed. So because he always come out with the new ideas. So we have a good rapport, and most of the people connect with artistic ways. So everybody is getting an opportunity. So thank you. Thank you, be a part of it.
Everybody, and I'd like to thank God for making this happen today, and I thank Mr. Ganesh for choosing me again in this event. And we the Seven Creations, the fashion label, deal with wedding outfits and formal outfits, the entire attire for men's, and we specially do designer collections for men's during the wedding season, and we all do festive collections over here. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Hi everyone, this is Mujahid from Chennai. I'm a fashion designer. I have my own label called Meraki. This is the first show which I'm doing, and since it's been 2.5 years, I started my own labels and first show, and I appreciate that I'm happy that I'm being part of this show, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Very excited to be here to support Ganesh. I've known Ganesh forever, and a little bit about him. He's always been an alpha male. He'll always lead, never follow. So, and especially in the fashion industry. So I've been always been his fan. So I'm extremely excited to be supporting him in this venture, and all the very best.
Thanks for coming. And first of all, I would like to thank my event associate, Kalyan Hotel, the several group of hotels and resorts, and of course, Mr. Paul. And one thing I would like to tell you about Mr. Paul is not a new face to fashion. It's not like first time. And he's been part of the Chennai Fashion Week International, and he's quite a known name in the Chennai social circle. And a little bit about Kuhasini. She's actually Singaporean. She's a Tamilian, but she's born and raised in Singapore. But she speaks Tamil like any Tamilian, and she's a lyricist. She's a model. She's an actress. She's an author, entrepreneur. And most important, she's got like about 40,000 followers on Instagram. And to talk about Mr. Sridhar, he's a very eminent personality, and he is one person who's the reason why Nityananda is not in this part of the world. and he's also into a lot of social activities, and he's been part of close to more than 300 debates on social issues. And of course, VTKG, Mr. Sashi Kumar. So I should tell a little bit about things. With this pandemic, we're finding difficulty in getting sponsors, and I had this issue of sponsors. And in fact, I just met him like 10-15 days. I just gave him a call because I had second thought, because they just had associated with us for FAT, which is like fashion at tea. And he's like, just give me a week's time, and within a week, he just came on board. Thank you so much, sir. And about Mario, he's a supermodel. See, one thing I would like to say about Mario is, we've been here in the field for almost 14 years now, and I've done myself about 400 shows. See, there is nobody who has gone excelled without crossing us. That is without we touching them. He is the only guy who I have never worked with. That too being a male model, it's so difficult, and he's been having a very long, successful career. It's been for about 15-20 years. I think only once we did, and that too for a luxury car brand. And he's a king on his own. Though he told me so many things about me, but he's big on his own. And he's also vice president of the Paulson Group. So this is what is my actual panel of judges are. And I would like to introduce my other associates. Without them, I'm not complete. Of course, Radio Fever FM 91.9 and Provoke Luxury Lifestyle Magazine, and they're one of the leading in the town and the country actually. And they've always been part of our events. Provoke and Volt, my beauty salon partner, luxury partner, and of course Cooperance, my digital marketing partner. Kalakal Cinema, they've been always with us like the last 3-4 years. And Cars, they are sponsors, and we have Resham. He's actually a very main person for the show because the show is virtual. It's not a live show. And live show is about the thing. So virtual show, actually one thing about the show is this is the first virtual show in South India. So yarume pannala. 6 months munadi yaar show pannala. Ipo after 3 months so this will be the only show which has happened, and it's only in Chennai. We wanted to prove a point. But I should say that I had a lot of difficulties in getting designers and people to participate in the show. And I'm very thankful to all my 5-6 participants of the event. And the first person was Mr. Shahid. He's the one who came on board. And I also thank Mujahid. See, though Mujahid said this is his first show, but one thing I would like to tell about him, he is someone who sells about like 25 to 40 suits every month. So he's quite big on his own way. And see, he comes from a family of designers. His father, is he here?
Yes.
So his father, he himself has been a costumer, so he's been in a film line, and he has done garments for people like Rajinikanth. So they're quite big. They're more subtle and they're typical South Indian way. They don't make noise, but they're quite big in their own way. And it's about him. And apart from that, as I said, I hope I didn't miss any of my associates. Yes. Hindustan is my Fashion Institute educational partner, so we are one among the main associates of the event. So that's about it, and hope I didn't miss anybody else. And of course, I would like to thank all my models, all male and female, especially female models, because all the girls who associate with the show are big names in town. And in fact, see, we have a lot of trouble organizing, and they're more than forthcoming, to support us during this time. If I should take the name, Leena Priya, Maya, and we have Saraswati, and of course Tammy herself, and of course any girls, I'm missing someone, and Varsha, and Kohasini herself is making a guest appearance in the show, and then we have another girl called Mitra Chandani. She herself has got like about another 40,000 followers. So the show is quite loaded. It's happening in a top end way, and I'm sorry. And thank you so much for people for coming, and hopefully you'll support us as always. And that's it. 54% is men's garment, which sells. In fact, women's are only like about 43, 44. Men are 54. See, women are more in more cosmetics and stuff like that, jewelry and money. But actually, garment wise, it's only men who sell more. So that is one. And this virtual show, see, right now the entire international fashion world are organizing virtual show only because of the pandemic. See, Milan Fashion Week was virtual, Shanghai Fashion Week was virtual, and Moscow Fashion Week was virtual. See, in Chennai is actually reality. Chennai is not prepared for fashion weeks. People do the fashion weeks, but Chennai is not so big. That's the truth actually. But then we have our own way of doing things, and so that's why this is my 5th year. I mean, men's couture Chennai is my 5th year. Earlier it was called men's trends. In the Varshathalam, men's couture and couture, because the Reliance had a problem. They put a case against us that I should not use the name trends. Okay, anyway, I just gave it up. So we changed the name. But one thing what we found is virtual is actually a new medium. It's very useful for designers and participants and sponsors. See, because the reach is much higher. See, though live shows got its own charm, but it's really restricted to a set of guests. But virtual is it's very elaborate. It's more. See, if the show running pathina or 5-6 lakham per reach the show pathina. So that's the reason why.
Last question, sir. It's only Chennai. Do you have any plans to go for pan-India or something like that?
See, in the show, people become pan-India to work. See, like we have had people like Sanjana John. She's got boutiques in New York and Dubai, Singapore. She's been part of our event. And Asif Merchant has been our designer. She's done for clothes for Katrina Kaif, Priyanka Chopra. And we have had designers from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Cochin. In the version Matanda, we are restricted ourselves to Chennai because of this pandemic. Even models are from Chennai. All 20 are from Chennai. Otherwise, we source 50% from outside, 50% from here.
Thank you.
Control Carla shoot they're doing both. Now actually, mask was a separate style actually. Designers have started doing customized. In fact, Mr. Jahid is doing.
Okay, in the fashion zone, awareness.
See, one thing you should understand with this. See, fashion industry is not a party entertainment industry. Fashion is like any other business. When you go to the fashion, I go to the fashion. Thing is, number one, fashion now only about women. It's basic industry. Dress in Mela Portna, you wear a pant, shirt. Yeah, you pay a fashion. Fashion is everywhere. The only thing is, it's been seen as a glorified party, where people come, drink, eat and go. In fact, in our shows, party show and we are just to the point. And we keep it that way. See, that is why all our associates are always with us. So BTKG, Fat Lion, title sponsor. MCC, title sponsor. Marks and Spencer, 4 years partners. In associate, the ones who have come with us, they've always been. That's how.
So the show, how many people are
மொத்தமாக workload பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 25 பேர் போகும். கேமராமேன், ஹேர், மேக்கப், மாடல்ஸ், பேக் சைட் மேனேஜர். ஃபேஷன் ஷோனா மாடல்ஸ் மட்டும் கிடையாது. ஃபேஷன் ஷோனா ஃபஸ்ட்டு டிசைனர்ஸ் ஷோ தான் இருக்குது. பீப்புள் ஒன்லி சி மாடல்ஸ். ஐ மைசெல்ஃப் பீன் அ மாடல், பட் தென் த ட்ரூத் இஸ் ட்ரூத். அவங்களாம் நாங்கள் கிடையாது. அவங்க தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு வரணும். But unfortunately, designers are not good businessmen. They're only good thinkers. They create well. Business using models. So that's why they are sidelined. But in our industry, they're only there to support them. Be a model, choreographer, whatever. This industry belongs to designers.
So dressings எந்த மாதிரி மாடல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க சார்? ட்ரெஸ்ஸிங்ஸ் வந்து எந்த கோட் டைப்பாக இல்லை அந்த மேரேஜ் அந்த மாதிரி இது
எல்லாமே அது அவங்க டிசைனர் கொடுத்துருவோம்.
ஓகே.
Actually, it's a fall winter wedding and festive collection.
Okay.
அதிலே இதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் இன்ஃபேக்ட் we give a regional touch also.
Right.
In fact, I always make sure வேஷ்டி and shirt is part of my show.
ஓகே.
ஏன்னா வேஷ்டி ஷர்ட் பார்த்தா தான் அது நம்ம ஒரு ஷோன்னு தெரியும்.
ஓகே.
சூட்டு ஷெர்வானிலாம் ஷெர்வானி இந்தியன், பட் அதர்வைஸ் வெஸ்டர்னாக போடுறதா சொல்கிறேன். Anybody in the world can do that.
Okay.
London, but வேஷ்டி ஷர்ட்னாலே அது நம்ம ஊர் மாதிரி. So I always make to the point that they are part of my shows. Auto has been one of my previous seasons. They've been my participant.
Okay.
In the version because of this pandemic. But still, we have a designer who's done wastage.
Okay.
I have a designer here backstage.